Well, this is a Coachella Valley here. You can stop the vid if you want to look at that picture. Not the best day today. I'll come back up here on another day. But a little windy, a little cloudy. So visibility isn't perfect. Some rain showers, it looks like over there. Might even be Virga, I'm not sure. It looks like rain showers over there. And yeah, on a nice day, this would be a pretty good view. Little bird flying out there. All right. I'm parked down in the parking lot down there. It's at the end of the road. It's paved all the way. Then you come up here, you got a steep incline that you're going to have to walk up. This is the prime spot here. And then we can start going down. And there's some more lookouts here, which we'll take a look at them. I wanted to turn off and turn around before I got here, but there were no places to turn around. So I said, well, I might as well just drive all the way down here, even though it's not the best day for the best views out there. Like I said, it looks like a little rain coming down way out there, but it's windy. And I wonder how the sponge is doing on the GoPro here, if that's really cutting down on that wind noise. I don't know. I don't know how if you can hear me well with the sponge, but we'll see here. This is going to be heading back after this, and some nice views up here. There's the road it came down on. If you look way up there, you can see the road somewhere up there. Yeah, and not too much down there, although on the road you see a little more green, like it might get a little more water. The Joshua trees look a little more green there for some reason. I don't know why, but it's cold here when the sun goes behind the cloud, and the wind wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be up here. I thought it was going to be blowing like a banshee, but it wasn't. We got another, I guess that's a Joshua, I don't know. But coming back down the parking lot now. All right, there's the road. Gonna head back. Not too many people up here. Plenty of empty spots here. It's like 2:30, so it really wasn't crowded. I always got a parking spot every place that I went today. Monday and Tuesday, when the weather wasn't that great, it seemed like it was more crowded. So I don't know what the deal is here. Okay. And this is the view down lower where my car is, but you can almost see it looks like the rain showers out there coming down. Could be Virga. Like I said, Virga is rain that falls, that evaporates before it hits the ground, and that looks like that might be that, because I doubt if it's even touching the ground. So it looks like Virga, a good example of it there, I think. All right. Okay, coming back down the road from Keys View, at the top of the hill up there. And yeah, a few other cars up there. Yeah, nice view out there, sun shining way off in the distance. And I gotta keep my speed down here. I don't want to go over the speed limit. Lots of green right here in this one section here. A lot of close-in Joshua trees. They must get a lot more water right here, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, it's just coming down the road. And going to go back out the other exit today. All right, let's put the camera away here now.